Good evening, children. Welcome back to Treetop Tales. Benny Goes Camping. Young Benny Bear, so brave and small, had never gone camping. No, not at all. But one bright morning, crisp and clear, his friend Ollie Otter called out, "Come here. Let's go on a trip. Just you and me. We'll camp by the river wild and free." Benny's heart skipped. Oh, what delight! He packed his bag snug and tight. Through whispering woods and towering trees, they marched along with joyful ease. Ollie hummed a merry tune, while Benny stared at the glowing noon. "First, our tent. Let's set it right," said Ollie, wise and full of might. "Stake it down, strong and neat, so it won't fall when winds compete." Benny tugged and Benny tied, but one big gust, oh my, it flied. "Try again. You'll learn, I swear," said Ollie with a knowing stare. With patient pause and careful might, Benny made the tent stand tight. Proud he stood, his chest puffed high, underneath the twilight sky. "Now the fire," Ollie grinned. "Gather wood and watch the wind." Benny searched through moss and stone, till he found dry sticks all on his own. Ollie taught him how to stack, a pyramid neat, no branch too slack. Then with a spark and careful blow, the flames arose, a golden glow. They roasted nuts and berries sweet, a camping feast, a grand retreat. "You did so well," Ollie cheered, and Benny beamed. His doubts disappeared. The stars peeked out, a silver sea. The forest hummed in harmony. Benny sighed, so warm, so free. "I love the woods, just look at me." "You've learned so much," said Ollie bright. "You built a tent, you made a light. You're strong and smart, you're growing fast. Each new skill is made to last." Benny smiled, his heart aglow. The world was big, and he would grow. With every step, with every test, he'd try his best and leave the rest. As fire dimmed and sleep drew near, Benny whispered soft and clear, "Thank you, Ollie, for showing me how grand the forest life can be." With nature's song and stars so bright, they drifted off to sleep that night. And in his dreams, young Benny knew he'd camp again. Adventures grew. The end.